our country had been brought to a very low point. We knew that taking up the reins of government would be very challenging. When we became the government, what we found to be most challenging of all was the state in which the previous administration left the economy. The country was battered and bruised. Remember? For 18 months, there was no review by the IMF. Remember?
Yes.
They broke it. We will have to fix it.
The IMF just completed what you call an Article 4 consultation, which is a general survey by their mission of the state of the Jamaican economy. They prepare a report, and that report we need to respond to.
Under my leadership, my government will, despite the challenges, do everything in our power to reduce the debt and restore growth in the economy with job creation. It is in that context that some of the unavoidable hard decisions had to be taken. I hope the Jamaican people understand what we inherited and why we have to take some decisions that hurt hard.
I think there are a couple of points that we need to make. Is that we have a particular economic problem, a problem caused by a public debt which is just too high. And the fund isn't really saying to us, well, you know, we are your parent and we insist that you behave properly. They are saying to us that if Jamaica needs to design a program, and they will give you their views on that program. Now, what is important is that their support or an agreement with them, which is what we seek, will give you credibility.
The third supplementary estimate for the fiscal year 2011-2012, which this House passed in March, represented the first step in making the public aware of the true fiscal situation. It is imperative as we go forward that any attempt to disguise the reality of our situation be rejected.